From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 12 of 2025 WAEC Mathematics OBJ is: simplify 2 whole number 1 over 3 plus 5 over 2 minus 1 over 12 minus 11 whole number 3 over 4. So you want to simplify the numerator, simplify the denominator, and then divide. So for the numerator, if we convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction, it will be 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7 over 3, plus 5 over 2, minus 1 over 1. The LCM here is 6. 3 into 6 is 2 times 7 is 14. 2 into 6 is 3 times 5 is 15. 1 into 6 is 6 times 1 is 6. This is 29 minus 6, which is 23. So we have 23 over 6. Now for the denominator, we have 12 over 1 minus 4 times 11 is 44 plus 3, 47 over 4. And the LCM is 4. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 times 12 is 48. 4 into 4 is 1. 1 times 47 is 47. And this is simply 1 over 4. Now, if we put both of them together, this will be numerator 23 over 6 divided by 1 over 4. So if we change division to multiplication, we have 23 over 6 times 4 over 1. 2 here is 2. 2 here is 3. 23 times 2 is 46 over 3. Now 3 into 4 is 1, remainder 1, into 16 is 5, remainder 1. So this is 1 over 3 and is B. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.